Hello. So this is gonna be a continue on the previous video. So if you haven't watched my previous video, maybe consider watching that one, because I got myself a borrowed 16-inch wheel for the Golf, and I got some spacers. It's inside here. Two 20mm spacers. So if you remember, if you have watched my previous video, if you haven't, but forgot, whatever. So in my previous video, I mounted the Epitech brake adapter for my Golf 2 Synchro subframe. So I will be able to use S3, you know, the first generation S3 8L rear brakes with the G60 brake disc. But my wheels, these are 15-inch, these are replica. These did not fit over the brake caliper. So I have asked a friend if he had some spacers which I could just borrow to test. So here I have 20mm spacers, and my plan is to see if this is enough for the wheel, my 15-inch wheel, to fit over the caliper in the rear. If not, I'm going to test fit this wheel, which is 16-inch, and see if that will fit. So that one is not even close to clearing the caliper. So 15-inch is too small. So even these won't fit. You see this part, this lip, this makes it so it's not enough room for the caliper. I think what I will do is to buy some adapters. So because I will buy some adapters because I have some wheels from the S3. It's like Compomotive. Yeah, I don't remember the type. Compomotive, like rally, kind of group B rally type of rims. And I think I know these will definitely clear because I have these are from the S3, so these are 17-inch. Yeah, I think that will be the plan. Okay, so I need to buy some adapters. And then I'm gonna use some 17-inch wheels, which I don't really wanted to do because I don't know, I think 17 it will look really big on this car, this chassis. I really like Mark 1s, Mark 1 and Mark 2s with like smaller rim, like 15 inches, pretty nice. 14, 15 and 16 is really nice, I think. But yeah, okay, 17 it is. So now it's the next day. Now it's Sunday, and since these wheels did not fit over the brakes, I got I borrowed another one. This is OZ racing wheel. I'm not sure the exact name of this wheel, but it looks like on the inside of this these are not as kind of tight inside, so hopefully this will fit. This is 16-inch wheels. So I think these are promising. They are now they are spinning, but I think they are touching. The caliper is touching just a bit on the inside of the wheel. So I guess if I had spacers, this is the status of the wheel situation, not situation, wheel fitment. So these are the wheels I have had on my car for a few years. These are 15-inch, 8 wide. These does not fit at all. They would fit over the front brakes if I had a spacer, maybe a 10mm spacer. That would be enough, I think. But in the rear, they not even close. So this is the wheel. This is 16-inch. Yeah, as I already said. This will not fit over the rear brakes as well because of this edge. This makes it more narrow inside the wheel. So yeah, this will also not fit. Not even with spacer. I would have to space this so much out. It's not gonna work. This one, 16-inch. One, yeah, as you saw, will fit with spacer. I only tested with a 20mm spacer, and then it fits fine. Maybe a 10mm will also work. And these also I borrowed from another friend. And these are looking horrible. These are actually supposed to be white, but these are was my winter tire on my S3. The bolt pattern is 5x100, so these will definitely fit over all of the brakes and caliper. I could use this with like adapter, spacer adapter, but with these are 17-inch. I think 17 in general is too big on this chassis. 17-inch wheels on the Mk1 I don't think looks really good, but you know, if you have to, you have to. These have now winter tires on them. I would need to buy some semi-slicks tires for this. And also the guy who I borrowed these OZ wheels from, he told me he was going to clean them up a bit and then maybe sell them. So I said to him, maybe I can buy them if they fit. They fit, so it kind of depends on how much he wants for them, and I also would also need to buy some semi-slicks wheels for this. I will also need, with these OZ wheels, I will also need to buy spacers on all 4 corners. So if you have Mk1, no, actually, if you have like if you have the Golf Rally rear beam, all-wheel synchro rear-wheel drive beam and subframe, I mean, and you want to use these Epitech adapters, maybe you should take this into consideration. You may need to go bigger wheel size than planned. Yeah, and this goes for, I guess it would go for Mk1 if you use that on Mk2 Golf, and maybe also Mk3, I think. Well, I would guess, but yeah. Anyway, thank you for watching and have a wonderful day, and until next time, bye.